Italy, a boot-shaped country situated in southern Europe, is a top travel destination known for its art treasures, beautiful landscapes, trendy fashion, and amazing cuisine. With so much to see and explore, it's no wonder Italy attracts millions of visitors each year. Here are the top 10 best places to visit in Italy. Number 10. Naples. Naples, located in southern Italy, is a vibrant city known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine. Home to the famous Mount Vesuvius, Naples offers a unique blend of ancient ruins, bustling markets, and picturesque waterfront views. With its lively atmosphere, authentic Neapolitan pizza, and proximity to Pompeii and the Amalfi Coast, Naples is a great place to experience the true essence of Italian culture. Number 9. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 colorful fishing villages nestled along the rugged Italian Riviera, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its breathtaking views and charming atmosphere. Each village, including Monterosso al Mare and Vernazza, offers a unique experience with its pastel-colored houses, scenic hiking trails, and fresh seafood. Whether you're exploring the vineyards, relaxing on the beaches, or indulging in local delicacies, Cinque Terre is a picturesque destination that will leave you in awe. Number 8. Milan. Milan, Italy's fashion and design capital, located in the northern Lombardy region, is a bustling metropolis known for its high-end shopping, iconic landmarks, and vibrant nightlife. Home to the famous Duomo di Milano and Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, Milan seamlessly blends history with modernity. With its world-class museums, trendy boutiques, and exquisite cuisine, Milan offers a perfect mix of culture, style, and sophistication, making it a top destination for fashion enthusiasts and art lovers alike. Number 7. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast, a picturesque stretch of coastline in southern Italy overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea, is a postcard-perfect destination, famous for its dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and crystal-clear waters. From the charming town of Positano to the historic city of Amalfi, each coastal gem offers a unique charm and beauty. Whether you're sunbathing on the beaches, exploring the lemon groves, or savoring fresh seafood, the Amalfi Coast is a romantic paradise that promises an unforgettable Italian experience. Number 6. Tuscany. Tuscany, a region in central Italy known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and historic cities, is a timeless destination that embodies the essence of the Italian countryside. From the iconic city of Florence, home to Michelangelo's David, to the medieval town of Siena, famous for its paleo horse race, Tuscany is a treasure trove of art, culture, and gastronomy. Whether you're wine tasting in Chianti, admiring the Renaissance architecture, or wandering through sunflower fields, Tuscany offers a serene escape that will captivate your senses. Number 5. Venice. Venice, the floating city located in northeastern Italy, is a magical destination renowned for its romantic canals, historic palaces, and artistic heritage. With its iconic gondolas, Grand St. Mark's Square, and intricate glass-making tradition on Murano Island, Venice exudes a timeless charm that transports you to a bygone era. Whether you're cruising along the Grand Canal, attending the Venice Carnival, or exploring hidden alleyways, Venice is a dreamlike destination that promises a truly unforgettable experience. Number 4. Rome. Rome, the capital city of Italy and the heart of the ancient Roman Empire, is a living museum filled with iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Vatican City. Known for its rich history, vibrant street life, and mouth-watering cuisine, Rome offers a perfect blend of past and present. Whether you're tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain, admiring the Sistine Chapel, or indulging in authentic Roman pasta, Rome is a city where every corner tells a story, making it a must-visit for history buffs and food lovers alike. Number 3. Florence. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, located in the heart of Tuscany, is a cultural gem known for its world-class art, stunning architecture, and charming streets. Home to masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli, Florence is a treasure trove of artistic heritage. Whether you're admiring the Florence Cathedral, strolling across the Ponte Vecchio, or savoring gelato in Piazza della Signoria, Florence is a city that captivates your soul with its beauty, history, and romance. Number 2. Sicily. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea and an autonomous region of Italy, is a diverse destination known for its ancient ruins, stunning beaches, and mouth-watering cuisine. From the historic city of Palermo to the majestic Mount Etna, each corner of Sicily offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring the Valley of the Temples, sunbathing on the beaches of Taormina, or savoring arancini and cannoli, Sicily is a captivating island that promises a sensory journey like no other. Number 1. The Italian Riviera. The Italian Riviera, a glamorous stretch of coastline along the Ligurian Sea in northwestern Italy, is a paradise of sun, sea, and sophistication. From the chic resort town of Portofino to the colorful village of Riomaggiore in Cinque Terre, the Italian Riviera offers a luxurious escape with its crystal-clear waters, scenic hiking trails, and Michelin-starred restaurants. Whether you're yachting along the coast, exploring the charming villages, or sipping Aperol Spritz at a seaside cafe, the Italian Riviera is a glamorous destination that epitomizes la dolce vita, making it the top place to visit in Italy for a truly unforgettable experience. Italy offers a diverse range of destinations for travelers, from the stunning coastlines of the Amalfi Coast and Cinque Terre to the historic cities of Rome and Florence. Whether you're interested in art, fashion, food, or natural beauty, Italy has something to offer everyone.